Hello, in this video I'm going to ask a question about the elastic deform in Blender's sculpting mode. So here's the character I downloaded from Blend Cloud. Here the Rain version 2 character, and what I'm trying to do is doing some shape sculpting. So I switch to sculpt mode using the elastic deform, trying to move some shapes, and it comes out very weird effect. Even I trying to use some other object. Even I trying to create another object like a monkey. Let me add some subdivision surface and switch to sculpt mode. Trying elastic deform, also very weird. So I'll be very appreciative if someone can tell me is there any setting I messed up so that I can fix this problem. Thank you.